It's early Sunday morning and I'm just going to take you through what I'm doing today. Normally on Sundays I meal prep for the week. Since I went back to work, I am meal prepping. So I just have on my counter, I just have some chicken, and I'll also be making banana bread because I've been craving banana bread for the past 2 weeks. So let me take you through what I do today. So in here I just have potatoes, garlic and onions. So I just add spices, about this much. I don't know how much that is, but yeah. This is some curry powder, chili flakes. Oh, that's a lot. About this much chili flakes. I'm tempted to add some ginger, but I don't know. Let me just try adding a little bit of ginger. Excuse me. No, it's because of the ginger. Ginger makes me sneeze. And then I'll add some oregano. Then lastly, I'll add some coriander powder. That much. Then I'll take my chicken. I normally pre-pack them in this plastic containers. When I get them, I wash them and then I freeze them. So I defrosted this yesterday in the fridge. So I'm just going to put, and then I normally have, I'll show you. So I'm just going to put this. They are already washed. So whenever I get my chicken or meat or sausages, since I don't want to have, my freezer is not that big, I normally just put this, so I'll portion it out like 150 grams. So I'll put 150 grams at the bottom, and then I will put a wax paper. This is because when you freeze them, and let's say you just want 150 grams, you just pull out this wax paper and then defrost it, instead of like defrosting the whole thing. Like maybe let's say you had like 500 grams in this little container, and then you only want 150 grams. So instead of defrosting the whole thing to only use 150 grams, you just put this wax paper, put 150 grams, portion it out how you want it, and then when you want it, you can always just pull this out and return the rest in the freezer. It doesn't like stick because as you know, if you freeze things, they tend to like stick together, so it's really hard to just defrost. You have to break off things and then frostbite and that. So I'll just remove that, but since I wanted a half, I'll use the rest. Prepping helps me stay on track because sometimes when you're off of work and you're tired and you tend to eat anything and everything that you get. For me, it's normally tea and bread, and I just normally feel so shitty afterwards. So instead of just like having all those unnecessary stuff, I'd rather just like have something in my fridge, if that makes sense, because I normally come back from work super tired and maybe I have videos to edit and I'm just bored, or like I'm way too tired, so I just meal prep. So yeah, so as the chicken cooks, we are going to prepare the greens, which is sukuma wiki, kales or collard greens, I do not know. So my chicken is cooking. I'm just going to pull out a pan and we start on the greens. So in this pan, we are going to be cooking the sukuma. And guys, right now it's like 9 in the morning, Sunday morning, so if I don't get this done right now, I'm not going to do anything. And then I recently got this from Carrefour. It's a lighter. See, it's a lighter. So because this gas is electric. It is 1 electric and 3 gas. But the only problem is my landlord did not put like a switch, a socket to like plug the thing in, so that like I can use the auto ignition. So that's why I use a lighter. So let's just make sure that's on, turn it high, put that in. Then don't judge me. I'm a lazy person, so during the weekend, or at least every 3 days, I normally blend up some garlic and some onion. So I just blend them up, and it makes it easy to like when you're in a rush, or like I hate cutting onions, so I just blend this up in my I have like a spice blender that I use. So, and then I coat it with oil. So you want to blend but coat it with oil. So I'm just going to take that. Today I'm going to be making banana bread because I just want to get that craving out of the way, but also because Sundays is my baking day. So yeah, I'm going to just speed it up. Maybe if you guys are interested, there are many banana bread recipes online. I'm just using Rosanna Pansino's, and when I tell you that banana bread is the bomb.com, it is the bomb.com. So I'm just going to make my own version of banana bread, and yeah, so I'm just going to speed it up because I don't think you need this. So let's get to it. potato wedges, I'm going to bake them at 175 degrees Celsius for about, no, I'll just keep monitoring them until they're fully cooked. Some salt and coriander powder.
That was going to come out of Miranda's mouth. I let him know that I loved him, he did a great job, it was my fault, not his. I publicly apologized for the tweet.
It's now 2:15 and I am done with my chores, so I'm just going to show you around. My banana bread is done. My potato wedges are also done. I'm just letting them cool so that so yum. Don't let me tell you, midway I used my garlic paste. I just like what is it called, in changanya. I mixed my garlic paste, then put them back in the oven. They're really they're crunchy on the outside but moist on the inside. So that's done. My dishes are also done. That's just this is just the bread tin. I already did my dishes, they're clean. My skuma and chicken is already cooled, so I need to put them in the fridge. I cleaned my living room as well, just like put things where they're supposed to be put. So that's clean. Oh, I also cleaned my bags and organized them. I changed my curtains, and lastly I made my bed. It is quite huge. And I just have my laptop seated over there. I need to start editing. I also haven't had breakfast, so I need to have breakfast first and then just start editing. If you've come this far, thank you so much for staying tuned for my whole video. So I'm just going to sit down, edit this video, and try and upload it by tomorrow if I can. I'm going to try. And yeah, I need to also have breakfast because I'm so hungry, and I've been working the whole morning since about 7 in the morning. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. If you like this kind of videos, let me know. Thank you.